Hi, this is Maggie from Motor City Chrysler in Windsor, Ontario. So I just sold a Chrysler 300S all-wheel drive. Guys, this car is beautiful. But my customers came in and they actually showed me this feature that I didn't even know existed. So if you look over my shoulder, I'll actually move the camera here. That is a sunshade on the rear window. When I put the vehicle in reverse, that sunshade goes down so I can see. When I put it into drive, it goes back up. So there is a button on the back of the console, or the middle armrest. And see if I can show it to you. So it's on the back of the armrest here. Oh, that's the heated seats. So that's your up and down. So it can be engaged or it can be disengaged, but it's great because I can reach it from the front seat here. And you know, you have those rear facing baby seats. You can make sure that the sun's not in their eyes. And what a great way to prevent sun bleaching of the vehicle's interior. I love it. Just a really cool feature. If you guys have any questions about the features on these cars, let us know. We want to tell you all about it. Have a great day, guys.